my beautiful friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about why money isn't flowing through your business. So, perhaps you've been doing the work. Perhaps you have been feeling the feelings of financial abundance. You've been feeling the feelings of money coming in, but it's not freaking coming in. Why? Well, something I did not realize at the time when I was doing this work is that everything has a frequency, right? Everything. So when you're tapping into money and you figured out the feeling that money feels, maybe it's like relief to you, or maybe it feels like joy, or maybe it feels like fullness, or maybe having money feels like just easy. It feels flowy, it feels playful. Whatever it is, you've tapped into that feeling. You know how it feels. You feel it. You do it every day. And maybe money is coming in, but it's not coming in through your business how you thought it would be. And maybe even you're doing affirmations, you're feeling the feelings of it coming through your business and through different programs, different services, different products, whatever it is. You're doing it, it's not working. What I want you to ask yourself is, does your business have the same energetic frequency as how you feel money is? What I mean is, does your money vibes and your business vibes join? Are they the same? Are they on the same frequency? Or is your business more stressful, more complicated? Are you constantly looking for new strategies? Are you constantly looking for different ways to make money, even though you know how you want to make it, but you're not doing it? Is your business an actual match? And in how you operate it, is it a match to that frequency? See, I figured this out a while ago, and it was that I didn't realize that the way in which I run my business is also an energetic frequency, right? So I was always feeling into the feelings of financial abundance, overflow, having my best month ever every month. And what I didn't realize is that in my business, if I were to apply that same frequency over into how I was operating it, I would say it was not fully a match. In fact, I'd say it was probably like 60 to 50% a match, because there were a lot of things that I was doing that I didn't want to do, that didn't feel right, but also didn't keep me in the energetic frequency of how I wanted to be when I received money, and also didn't keep my business in the energetic frequency of how it would be to receive the money. Because you have to be a match, right? You have to be a match to the frequency of money. If you figured out that the feeling of financial overflow, of financial abundance, of more money than you know what to do with, feels like relaxation, it just feels easy, simple, chill. Is your business the same way? Not just as in who you are in it, but how it runs. Is it easy? Is it simple? Is it relaxed? And what I realized for me was that my business wasn't entirely a match to that frequency. So I'd kind of like put a half a cap over how the money was flowing to me, because my business wasn't running in the energetic frequency that it needed to be for more money to flow into it. So what I want you to do is first subscribe to this channel, because you should have, and you get amazing advice every week from me. But I want you to look at your business in two different ways: how you run it and the energy you run it with. How does your business run? It's an energetic frequency on its own. Does it match the frequency of financial overflow? Does it match the same frequency that you have when you feel financial overflow in your heart and body? Does it match that vibe? Does it match that frequency? If it doesn't, ask yourself, how can my business become a match to financial abundance, to the feeling of what I perceive as overflow of more money, just untapped resources, endless cash? How do I create that in my business and in how it runs? And then ask yourself, how can I apply that same energy to my business? Maybe you need to make your content creation process a lot simpler, a lot easier. Maybe you just need to start repurposing everything rather than coming up with new stuff, because that's stressing you out and not keeping you in the vibrational frequency of financial abundance. Maybe you need to add more automation systems in to allow money to come in without you actively working all the time. And if that's something that you want, the Six-Figure Society is something that would totally help you with that. But maybe you need to add more systems like that. Or maybe you need to take more breaks. Maybe you need to actually have a set amount of hours that you work each day. Or maybe you need to work less. Figure out what it is for you, journal on those things, tune into yourself. The right answers will come. Trust yourself. You have all the answers within. There's nothing outside of you that knows better than you. Only you know better. You know what's right for you. You can do this. Become a match to the vibrational frequency of financial abundance in every way you can. In every area of your life, become a match to it. It's a very beautiful process when you think about it. You're constantly curating this very beautiful frequency of overflow, of love, abundance, just really ease-filled joy. And that's what I want for you to tap into in your business as well. I want your business to be simple and straightforward and easy, and not your whole world, because we're human beings. We have a whole life outside of our businesses. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. I would love to hear in the comments below what you are going to be doing to help your business start tapping into that frequency of financial overflow so that it can come through those avenues. And I will see you again in the next video.